Hello everyone! Happy August 28th. Today we celebrate wisdom, comfort food, and heartfelt appreciation. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting events are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Thoughtful Day. A chance to show kindness in quiet ways. A perfect gift could be a gratitude journal, a care basket, or a simple thinking of you message. What's the kindest thing someone's done for you? Let's hear about it. Next, it's National Cherry Turnover Day. A sweet celebration with flaky, fruity goodness. A thoughtful gift could be a baking kit, a pastry box, or a cherry-scented candle. Like them, warm or cold, share your favorite way to enjoy it. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's Rainbow Bridge Remembrance Day. A tender moment to honor pets we've loved and lost. A great gift could be a memory keepsake, a photo frame, or a donation to a local shelter. Have a pet in your heart? Share their name and memory with us. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 1st to 5th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.